Having rejected the three grounds of appeal presented by the defense in the appeal brief, the appeals chambers unanimously confirms the impugned decision.
The International Criminal Court Appeals Chamber's denial of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte's petition for interim release reflects a strict and conservative interpretation of Article 58 of the Rome Statute. The Chamber reiterated that detention may continue when it remains necessary to ensure appearance, prevent interference with witnesses, or safeguard the integrity of the proceedings. This mirrors the reasoning in Ongwen and Taganda, where the gravity and context of alleged crimes justified continued restraint. In its ruling, the appeals chamber addressed the three grounds raised by the defense, but ultimately concluded that none of these were sufficient to overturn the pretrial chamber's assessment of necessity. The court emphasized that at this stage of the proceedings, where testimonial evidence is still being collected and where influence and residual command structures may still be relevant, conditional release cannot adequately neutralize the identified risks. Sa madaling salita, the court opted for caution. But this decision, while firm, is not punitive nor permanent. Under Rule 118 of the ICC Rules of Procedure and Evidence, Duterte's detention is subject to mandatory periodic review. The rules clearly noted that this determination shall be reassessed after 120 days, allowing the defense to present any change in circumstances, health, cooperation, progress of the investigation, or reduced risk profile that may justify a different ruling in the next review cycle. Hindi ito hatol, hindi ito wakas. It is a procedural safeguard designed to protect the process, not a condemnation of the accused. Duterte retains the full protection of international criminal law, presumption of innocence, equality of arms, continuous access to counsel, and recurring judicial oversight. For Duterte supporters, today's decision is heavy. For the ICC, it is an assertion of necessity, tempered by the legal obligation that every 120 days, liberty must again be weighed against risk. The legal journey continues, and the door to reconsideration remains open. Another day, another Regal POV.